In our tree school we learn to explore, asking questions, opening doors. With every take a flight to find the answers to the night. Climbing high we reach new heights, sharing secrets in the night. Books and bark are friends for sure. In tree school we always learn more. Tree school adventures we adore. Each day brings so much more. Up the branches we will soar, to the sky forevermore. In the leaves our classroom found, nature's whispers all around. Green and gold the stories told, tree school tales are never